Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Circle. I'm going to share all the important things that you need to know. The first thing is, what is Circle actually about and how you can use it. Then I'm going to move to pricing plans. Then I'm going to talk about the features, and then what you're going to find inside and how Circle operates. But before we start, two things. The first thing, don't trust me a word that I'm going to say. Listen to your own intuition. If you feel that Circle is good for you, use it. If you don't feel that it's good for you, don't use it. It's all about you and your preferences, and I encourage you to listen to you. Now, the second thing, if you want to learn how you can grow your own community, how you can manage it in a better way, I created a completely free group with the link down below in the description, in which we are helping each other to grow communities, tips and tricks, having like calls and just like connecting with other people. And I really miss that. So if you want, you can join completely for free. It will be a pleasure to have you there. Now let's start with the Circle and what I think about it. So Circle, as you can read here, is an all-in-one community platform in which you can have multiple things together. With Circle, you're gonna have like posts here similar to Facebook. Then you're gonna have like events that are happening, like let's say weekly calls. Then you can even start your own course, or even have your own chat. So that's like really great. And then you're gonna have like members here. So that's all about what it means that you're gonna have like all-in-one platform. You can also have like a paywall that someone needs to pay directly in Circle to use some kind of course that you're gonna have inside. And what is a huge advantage of Circle, in my opinion, is that with Circle you will have an option to have everything under one roof. So you don't have to have Kajabi, like Facebook group, then Frycard or ClickFunnels, and then Kajabi, or like connecting and Zapier connecting with each other. Everything under one roof that can use to your own advantage. So that's pretty good. Now let's go for pricing plans. And when you're going to use the link down below in the description, it's an affiliate link. You can use it if you want to. Here you're going to have 4 plans: basic, professional, business, and enterprise. For me, the middle way, the professional, is the best one. What I really like is that you will have option to have a free 14-day trial. So that means that you can test it out for yourself if you like it or no. Then you're going to have transaction fees, 4, 2, 1, or 0.5. So here you're going to have, that's the first thing that I don't really like with the transaction fees, only because then you can have addition Stripe fees too. So they're like Stripe fees and these transaction fees together. But it is what it is. Other than that, for me, the pricing plans are all right because how much value they provide. Like Circle provides such a good amount of value of what you can do here, is that you're gonna actually save money if you're using different tools. Not only you're gonna save money, the second thing is you're gonna save time. So if you've been using Facebook group with like, I don't know, Kajabi, with something, like the energy to manage it all, and then like when you go to Facebook there are distractions, etc., is much better to have everything under one roof. So for that, Circle wins my heart in a way. So when we go further and you would test out the free trial right here, another thing that I really like is that when you want to do a live stream, you can do it. A live stream in live rooms under 100 attendees right here, here 200, and here enterprise 1000. Live room participants 30, 40, 50, and you see right here, and live recording storage 50 hours. So you can do a live stream. Also, if you want to upload your own like course file, you can do it. So that's another great thing, is that you don't have to host it in Vimeo on YouTube. You can just upload videos directly to Circle. That's a huge benefit if you are a course creator. And you know exactly what I'm talking about, that you don't have to upload videos to Vimeo where people can just download it from there. Another thing is, what I really like about Circle is that it offers you a lot of details. Like when you would just come here to settings, you would find there are like so many little things that you can change. Let me show you. Like weekly digest, then home, like when someone is going to connect to your like community, when they are going to always land. What is the first page they're going to land? It's like the little details that you can find in Circle are really good. So for me, that's like definitely 5 out of 5. Now, when I go further, I'm going to show you how you can use it. So here I have like YouTube and TikTok marketing groups that I created for this review. So here you're going to have, let's say I have YouTube, that's like a space group. That means is that you're going to have space groups on top, and under that you're going to have spaces. So let's say you're going to have Pinterest. That's like space group. And under that, you're going to have Pinterest marketing, Pinterest design, Pinterest something. Let's say that I'm going to say for YouTube, as you can see right here, or for TikTok marketing. News about TikTok. So this is like when you would click plus here, add a space, and you're going to have posts, events, chat, course, and members. So you're going to have space types that you can add. And I created all these space types on the left so you can see how it looks like. So here you're going to have the space type of like a Facebook style, where people would post news, their own winnings, etc. about TikTok. Then we have the TikTok weekly calls, in which people are going to, like let's say, join every week a call. And again, I can add a new event, and let's say Friday Q&A, where people can look at this, join with Zoom, YouTube Live, or Circle Live Room. Just choose that, right? Then you're gonna have TikTok growth course. What I have here is like you can set up your own course in Circle. And when I click here, I'm going to show you how it looks like. View course. So I have like the TikTok marketing guide and TikTok video strategy, and I'm going to start the course, and look at this, how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, where people can just start watch it and use it. Now, what I want to show you is that how you can edit the course. When I come here to edit the lesson, and I'm going to, you have the sections and lessons here, then I'm going to edit the lesson, and I can, this is like Notion here, slash, and you're going to just write here and post stuff that you want for your community about the course. What you can also have is everything behind the paywall, even the groups, even the spaces, everything. So let's say that you want to have the TikTok course behind the paywall, you can have it, but people can see it, but they can't access it. And this is another thing, what I like, is that you can add the files here, but look at this. I'm going to come here to lock screen. Lock screen is a page which people are going to see who didn't pay for the course, and they can join it if you want to. It's pretty limited, like features wise and customization wise, but still I can add a description here, edit it, and just start writing, add a divider. The good thing is that you can optimize it if you know how to code, etc. You can just add a code here and add like different apps here. So that's something you can do. Now, when we go further, you're going to have the group chat. This is another thing that is like really great, is that let's say that you're going to have it, you're going to have a circle chat about how to grow TikTok, how to grow Pinterest. I don't know. People can write here and just chat with each other and make friendships. And then you're going to have members in TikTok, where you're going to find like all the joined members on your space. So for that, as you can see, for me, it's easy to use. It's nothing difficult, but maybe for some people, it's going to be a little bit like too much. Then you can have also like links here. That a link can like get you to YouTube, to your Facebook group, to whatever, a contact page or something else. You can have it right here. So that's about it, and that's on how you're going to find and what you're going to find inside. So what are my thoughts on it, and if you should use it? If you feel it's right for you, try it out. Test it out. You can support me with the link down below in the description, or you don't have to. It's completely up to you. For me, the pricing plans are all right for the amount of value it provides and how much time it saves. Now it's all about how you're going to set up your own circle spaces and how you can make it good for your community. But the most important thing, just start. Like I'm not really great with communities, but I'm learning how to manage it. It's a craft, how to communicate with the community, how much to post, and how to build something meaningful, something that's good to share. So for example, I met with my girlfriend that we've been like 2 years now together through the community. Isn't that wonderful? I mean, I just figured it out that I met with my girlfriend through community. In a local community we have about entrepreneurship, and I met her there. God damn. Like the communities are good. Yeah, I have a little bit tears in my eyes right now. So that's probably to end this video, and I'm really happy for this. So hope I gave you a little bit of value on if you want to use a circle or no. For me, it's definitely 10 out of 10. Share me down below in the comments your thoughts on it. I'll be really happy to hear that. And have a great day, and goodbye.